Welcome back, house hunters. Are you looking for an incredible property in the south of Spain that doesn't break the bank? Well, today that is exactly what we'll be looking at. I have 9 extremely affordable properties to show you today, all available for under 50,000 euros. These properties show you that your money can go a long way even in the south of Spain. They are all located between Malaga, Granada, and Almería, meaning you are never far from some of Spain's best cities for sunshine, coastal, and mountain living. As a bonus, none of the properties today are more than an hour from the beautiful Costa Tropical or Costa de Almería, providing you with some of the best beaches and coastline anywhere in the world. Now, at this price point, some of these properties will need some light renovating, but nothing too major, and many are actually move-in ready. You will want to stick around to the end. Now, let's dive in and take a look. Now, if you're looking for an ultra-affordable entry point into the Spanish property market, this charming one-bedroom home in Los Guajares on the Costa Tropical really stands out. Priced at just 39,900 euros, this is the kind of property that's becoming increasingly rare in southern Europe. For under 40,000 euros, you're getting a traditional Andalusian village house with character, natural light, and beautiful open views. Inside, the home offers around 55 square meters of space, with a bright living area and open-plan kitchen that feels welcoming and practical. It's a manageable size, perfect for a single buyer, a couple, or anyone looking for a low-maintenance holiday retreat. The bedroom is cozy yet comfortable, and the overall layout makes smart use of the space. One of the real highlights here is the porch area with unobstructed views. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee overlooking the mountains, or relaxing in the evening with a glass of wine as the sun sets. The indoor-outdoor connection is exactly what draws so many people to southern Spain. Now, it's worth noting that you can't park directly outside the door, but parking is just a short 2-minute walk away, which is very typical for traditional white villages like this. In return, you get peace, charm, and authentic Andalusian character that simply isn't possible in newer developments. Location-wise, Los Guajares offers a tranquil village lifestyle while still being within easy reach of the Costa Tropical beaches and the city of Granada. The balance of mountain views and coastal access gives this property excellent lifestyle appeal, and even rental potential for those looking at a small investment. Whether you're dreaming of a lock-up-and-leave holiday home, a winter sun escape, a downsizing move, or even your very first overseas property purchase, this home represents an incredibly affordable way to make that dream a reality. Now, just like the previous property, this home is also located in Los Guajares, which really allows us to compare 2 very different opportunities within the same charming Andalusian village. The second property is listed at just 39,900 euros, but what makes it stand out is the size and potential. You're getting approximately 110 square meters spread across 3 floors, which is an incredible amount of space at this price point in southern Spain. Inside, the house currently offers a living room, kitchen, bathroom, 2 bedrooms, and an additional large top floor room with direct access to its own private terrace. That upper level is really where the magic could happen. With some renovation and vision, this could become a stunning master suite, creative studio, or guest space with an outdoor terrace overlooking the surrounding mountains. Now, it's important to mention that this property does require renovation. That's exactly why the price is so attractive. For buyers who are open to doing some work or spreading improvements over time, this is an opportunity to create something truly personal while still staying well under the 60,000 euros mark all in. And because it's in the same village as the previous home, you're still benefiting from that peaceful Costa Tropical lifestyle. Mountain views, traditional whitewashed streets, and easy to access both beaches and the city of Granada. It's quiet, authentic, and far removed from mass tourism. So what's really interesting here is the contrast. The first home was move-in ready and compact, while this one offers more space and long-term upside for someone willing to renovate. If you are enjoying the video, please take a moment to subscribe and like. It really helps the channel reach more people and allows me to keep making content. Thanks for your support, and now back to the video. Next up, we're looking at a remarkably inexpensive apartment that shows just how affordable Spanish property can be once you're willing to explore beyond the usual hotspots. This one is located in Cañájar, a small town in the Alpujarras region of southern Spain. Quite a contrast from our previous two properties in Las Guajaras, but still within reach of Andalusia's incredible lifestyle and outdoor scenery. At this price, it's one of the lowest priced apartments you'll find in Spain right now. The layout is very simple and functional, with 2 bedrooms and a central living space that makes it perfect for first-time buyers, investors, or anyone wanting a pied-à-terre in a peaceful town with authentic Spanish charm. This property is sold as is and will need some renovation before it's ready to move into, which is completely typical at this price point. But for someone who's happy to do a bit of work, it's a rare chance to take a very low-cost home and make it your own. Beyond the apartment itself, Cañájar and the broader Alpujarras area are known for breathtaking mountain landscapes, outdoor activities, and a slower pace of life, all while still being connected by road and bus networks to larger towns and the coast. Unlike the previous homes in Las Guajaras, which offered village charm and renovation potential, this Cañájar apartment represents one of the most entry-level buying opportunities anywhere in Spain. For investors looking to start with a low purchase price or buyers dreaming of a budget-friendly Spanish base, this is an option that's very hard to beat. Staying in the same charming Alpujarras area of southern Spain, our next property shows how much variety and value you can find even within one small region. The apartment is also located in Cañájar, and compared to the previous listing, it offers a similar space and layout flexibility while still being incredibly affordable at just 30,000 euros. This is a slightly smaller layout compared to the earlier 39,900 euros property, while still giving you plenty of living space, a dedicated kitchen, and a layout that feels more like a traditional home than a compact starter apartment. With around 50 square meters, it's perfect for buyers or investors who want a low price with a decent amount of room. Like many budget properties in rural Spain, this apartment does require renovation, but that's where the appeal lies. At just 30,000 euros, you can take your time updating it, adding your personal style, and creating a comfortable space without spending a fortune up front. The pace of life here is slow and relaxed, with plenty of local culture and community feel. Yet the region is still connected by roads to larger nearby towns, the Mediterranean coast, and cultural hubs like Granada. What's particularly exciting about this property is that it balances price and space. For someone looking for a renovation project with more comfort than a studio or tiny apartment, this offers real livable space at an entry-level price most buyers wouldn't believe is possible in Europe. Whether you're a first-time buyer, an investor looking for a low-cost holiday rental, or someone dreaming of a Spanish mountain retreat, this apartment represents a real opportunity, and in a location that's rich in beauty and lifestyle potential. Next up, we're still in the beautiful Alpujarras region of southern Spain, and once again we're in Cañájar, where values remain exceptionally affordable and lifestyle potential is high. This property is a ground floor apartment listed at just 44,000 euros, giving you another compelling entry-level option in this part of Spain's inland countryside. With approximately 132 square meters of space, this layout feels open and functional, perfect for couples, small families, or even as a holiday rental. The separate kitchen is a nice feature here, giving you flexibility to create an updated space with modern appliances and storage. Like many properties at this price point, it does need some renovation. That's exactly where the value is. At 44,000 euros, you have very little financial risk and tons of creative freedom to design a space that you truly love, whether that's a permanent home, country retreat, or investment property. What's great about this apartment, besides the price, is that it's on the ground floor, which can be a big advantage for accessibility and potential rental appeal. You also have convenient access to local streets and village life without dealing with stairs, which is something many buyers appreciate. If you're searching for the sweet spot between space, price, and renovation potential, this 44,000 euros apartment is a standout. It's another example of how in parts of rural Spain you can still buy entry-level real estate with room to grow. Next up, we're moving just a short distance from Cañájar into the nearby Alpujarra's area of Paterna del Rio, a beautiful regional town that offers the same authentic Spanish mountain lifestyle but with its own unique charm. This is a spacious 3 bedroom apartment listed at €39,900, with about 90 square meters of living space on the second floor of a residential building, all at a price point that's almost unheard of in most European markets. Inside, you'll find a functional layout with a living area, kitchen, 3 bedrooms, and a bathroom, perfect for families, couples, or anyone who wants more space than a tiny pied-à-terre. It also features both a terrace and a balcony, giving you outdoor living space and places to enjoy the sunshine and views. What really makes this property stand out is the combination of size, price, and location. At €39,900, you're getting a full-size apartment with multiple bedrooms and outdoor space, something that would cost many times more in bigger cities or coastal areas. The presence of both a terrace and a balcony is a big bonus, especially in a region where outdoor living is such a big part of everyday life. Whether you're dreaming of morning coffee with mountain views or al fresco dinners under the stars, these spaces make this apartment feel much larger and more livable than typical budget listings. Overall, this apartment is another example of how far your budget can go in Spain's inland markets, offering space, character, and lifestyle potential that would cost far more in coastal or urban areas. Now let's take a look at a very different type of property, a spacious traditional terraced house in the heart of Alpujarra de la Sierra, just a short drive from the properties we've already seen in Cañájar. This property is significantly larger than the apartments we've discussed so far. With 3 floors of living space plus a roof terrace, it feels more like a full family home than a small rental flat. One of the standout features here is that the house is largely ready to move into, with just light cosmetic updating needed. Windows, paint, and personal touches would take this from good to great with minimal investment. The layout includes multiple bedrooms and living areas, making it perfect for a family home, a holiday rental with multiple guest rooms, or even a bed and breakfast style setup, something that very few properties at this price can offer. And then there's the outdoor space. The roof terrace has incredible views over the village and surrounding mountains, a huge advantage for sunset dinners, morning coffee, or simply soaking in the scenery. Alpujarra de la Sierra itself is an authentic Andalusian village with winding streets, historic architecture, and dramatic mountain backdrops. Living here gives you that classic Spanish mountain lifestyle, quiet, scenic, and culturally rich, while still being within reach of coastal areas, hiking trails, and nearby towns. At just €40,000 for more than 200 meters squared of space, this property delivers truly exceptional value and a rare opportunity to own a large, character-filled home in southern Spain, something that's hard to find anywhere else at this price point. Now let's take a look at another excellent value property, this time in Berja, a lovely town in the province of Almería on Spain's southern Mediterranean coast. This apartment is listed at just €40,000 and offers a lot more than you might expect at this price. At around 83 square meters, this 3 bedroom home is generously sized, especially considering how inexpensive it is for a Mediterranean town. The layout includes a spacious living room, an equipped kitchen with a laundry area, and 3 separate bedrooms, perfect for families, multi-purpose living, or even a rental property. One of the big advantages of this apartment is that it's in good condition and ready to move into, which sets it apart from the many buildings at similar price levels that require extensive renovation. For €40,000 in Europe's southern property market, you're not just getting a small studio or something that needs gutting. You're getting a full-size 3 bedroom home in a real community. That means space for a family, room for guests, or multiple rooms to rent out or use as a holiday home. Berja itself has all the conveniences you'd want: local shops, transport links, schools, and services within walking distance. And because it's located close to larger coastal cities and beaches, you're near the Mediterranean climate and lifestyle while still enjoying a quieter town atmosphere. This kind of property, a ready to move in, larger layout, is incredibly rare at this price point anywhere along Spain's famous coasts or even inland markets. It's a fantastic entry point for first time buyers, investors, or anyone looking to lock in affordable real estate. At €40,000 for a 3 bedroom apartment with genuine space in southern Spain, this one is a standout opportunity in today's market. Our final property today is a real gem tucked away in Alfornón, a lovely village in the Alpujarra of Granada along the Costa Tropical. This 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment is listed at €49,900. Still incredibly affordable, but what makes it truly stand out is that it's completely renovated and ready to move into. At about 81 meters squared of space, it feels significantly larger and more comfortable than many entry-level listings. The interior features a warm living room with a fireplace, a fully equipped modern kitchen, and well-sized bedrooms that are perfect for daily living or holiday stays. Complete with quality finishes such as PVC double-glazed windows, pre-installed air conditioning, and wooden flooring throughout, that means you won't have to invest thousands in renovations. You can simply move in, enjoy the home, or start generating rental income right away. One of the biggest highlights here is that the apartment even comes with a valid tourist license, which is a major advantage if you're considering using it as a holiday rental, especially in a scenic region like the Alpujarras that sees strong demand from walkers, nature lovers, and those seeking a peaceful Spanish getaway. Location is another key benefit. Alfornón is just about 30 minutes from Melacina Beach, giving you the perfect balance between mountain village tranquility and Mediterranean coastal access. At €49,900 for a fully renovated, spacious flat with established rental potential, this property is easily one of the most polished and turnkey options we've seen today. You're not taking on a major renovation project or a long to-do list, you're stepping straight into a comfortable, ready-to-enjoy home in southern Spain. Whether you're looking for a low-maintenance holiday base, a winter sun escape, or an income-producing rental in a peaceful mountain setting near the coast, this apartment offers immediate usability and long-term value without the stress or uncertainty of extensive upgrades. So which of these properties was your favorite? Mine was definitely property number 9 due to it being ready to move in, its location, and the fact that it comes with a tourist license, meaning you can easily rent it out when you're not using it. Make sure to check out my other videos here, and thanks for watching and see you next time.